Hello everyone. Today we will listen to a story of a duck and crow. Once upon a time, there was a friendship between a duck and a crow. The crow would come to the duck by the side of the pond, and they would have long conversations together. One day, the duck was feeling very sad. The crow asked about her well-being, and she replied, "I was thinking about the parrot who made me aware of the beautiful sights from the sky. Now I am considering myself unfortunate that God made me a duck. The life of the sea is a unique life. Oh, what a life it is." The crow heard the duck's words and began to say, "Oh dear, God has not created anything in vain. Why are you ungrateful? Look at the life of water, how enjoyable it is. If the view from the sky to the earth is fascinating, then living inside the pond is also delightful." When the duck heard the crow's words, she initially disliked them, but during the coolness of the night, she thought about the crow's words sincerely. She realized that her friend, the crow, had given her good advice. She expressed her gratitude to Allah for giving her a wise friend. So from today's story, we will learn that she thanked God for giving her a good friend.